Welcome to Brewstar Reviews. Dive into the world of Amazon products with us as we provide honest, in-depth reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. The AVGPC Blizzard Gaming PC is a desktop computer designed for those who require high levels of performance for gaming and professional applications. At a price of approximately $1,358, this system is positioned as a mid to high-range option for those looking to invest in a pre-built machine. The name Blizzard refers to the aesthetic design of the tower, which features a clean white finish and bright lighting. Under the hood, the computer features a combination of Intel and NVIDIA hardware that is chosen to provide a smooth experience across various resolutions. This particular model utilizes an 11th generation Intel Core i9 processor, which remains a very capable chip for modern workloads. The inclusion of 32 GB of system memory and a 1 TB solid-state drive ensures that the machine has the resources necessary to handle complex tasks without significant slowdowns. This overview covers a system that is built and supported in the United States, which is a notable factor for those who value local assembly and technical service. The overall goal of this build is to offer a ready-to-use experience that takes the guesswork out of component matching and system assembly. By providing curated parts that work well, the manufacturer targets a market that wants the power of a custom build with the convenience of a retail product. It is designed to be visible and functional as a centerpiece, providing high frames and processing power expected for demanding tasks. Moving on to the build and design aspects of the AVGPC Blizzard, the first thing to note is the use of the Cooler Master TD500 mesh white case. This case is well regarded for its ability to manage heat through a highly specialized front panel design. The mesh is not just flat but features a crystalline pattern that adds structural integrity and increases the total surface area for air to pass through. This is crucial because high-end components like the Core i9 generate a lot of heat when they are running at full speed. By allowing a massive amount of cool air to enter through the front, the case helps maintain a lower internal temperature. Inside the case you will find a 360mm liquid cooler. This is one of the largest radiator sizes commonly used in consumer desktops, and it is mounted to ensure that the processor stays cool under heavy load. The liquid cooling system works by moving heat away from the CPU through a dedicated pump and circulating it into the radiator, where 3 large fans blow it out of the system. This method of cooling is generally more efficient and quieter than traditional air cooling. To complement the radiator, there are additional addressable RGB fans throughout the chassis. These fans provide the necessary airflow to keep the motherboard and graphics card cool, while also offering a wide range of colors and patterns that can be adjusted to suit the environment. The white color of the case helps the internal lighting pop, making the entire system look bright and modern. The side panel is made of tempered glass, which provides a clear view of the internal components and the neatness of the assembly. The internal layout is spacious, which is good for airflow and makes it easier for someone to reach in and perform maintenance or upgrades later on. Every part of the build, from the cable management to the fan placement, is aimed at maximizing performance while keeping the noise levels as low as possible for a machine of this power. When we look at how this PC performs, we have to start with the heart of the machine, which is the Intel Core i9 11900 kFarads. This processor is part of the 11th generation lineup and features 8 cores and 16 threads. What makes this version special is the KF designation, which means it is unlocked for higher performance but does not have integrated graphics. This allows the processor to dedicate its entire power envelope to the main processing cores, which can reach speeds of up to 5.3 GHz. This high clock speed is exactly what you need for gaming, where fast single-core performance often dictates how high your frame rate can go. For graphics, the system is equipped with the RTX 5060 Ti. This graphics card is designed to provide high-fidelity visuals and support for modern features like ray tracing, which makes lighting and reflections in games look more realistic. It also supports DLSS, which is an AI-based technology that helps the computer render frames more efficiently, allowing for play at higher settings without losing smoothness. To keep up with these powerful chips, the PC has 32 GB of DDR4 RAM. This is a significant amount of memory that allows for many different programs running at the same time without the system stuttering. For example, one could be playing a demanding game while also streaming that gameplay to the internet and having a dozen browser tabs open for research. The 1TB NVMe M.2 SSD is the final piece of the performance puzzle. This storage drive is much faster than an old-fashioned hard drive or even a standard SATA SSD. It allows the computer to boot into Windows 11 Home in just a few seconds, and games will load much faster, meaning less time is spent looking at loading screens and more time is spent actually playing. The combination of this high-speed storage with the powerful CPU and GPU means that the entire system feels very responsive. Whether opening a large file or jumping into a match, everything happens quickly and smoothly. The inclusion of Wi-Fi and AC support means one can get high-speed internet connectivity even if not sitting right next to a router, which is a great convenience for many home setups. This machine is best suited for specific types of individuals. It is a great choice for serious gamers who want to play the latest titles at high settings. If one is an individual who enjoys competitive shooters or large open-world games where performance and visual clarity are important, this hardware will meet those needs. It is also an excellent tool for content creators. People who edit video or work with high-resolution photos will benefit from the fast processor and the large amount of RAM. The i9 chip is very efficient at rendering video, which can save a lot of time during the creative process. Beyond that, this PC is perfect for someone who wants a high-end machine but does not have the time or the desire to build one from scratch. Since it is already assembled and tested in the United States, there is confidence that it will work right out of the box. It is also a good fit for students or professionals who need a powerful workstation for things like coding or running virtual machines. The clean white aesthetic and the customizable internal lighting also make it a popular choice for those who care about the look of an office. It fits well into a modern office or a dedicated gaming room, providing a touch of style without being overly bulky or distracting while maintaining the quiet operation required for a professional setting. In closing, the AVGPC Blizzard Gaming PC is a well-balanced machine offering value for its price of approximately $1,360. It combines a high-end processor with a modern graphics card and a very effective cooling system. While it uses an 11th generation processor instead of newer models, it still provides more than enough power for most tasks. The focus on high-quality cooling and a clean aesthetic makes it a reliable and attractive option. It is an investment for anyone looking for a powerful and attractive desktop computer ready for work and play. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product insights. Have a product you want us to review? Drop a like and subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy shopping.